Yo, YouTube, this is a video on how I got my first sponsor and how you guys can get yours. Oh, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Drastic. I finally got a sponsor. I'm gonna teach y'all how to get a sponsor. I got sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends. Yes, if you use my code or my link, you can get free 50,000 silver and 15 silver. 15 gems. I'm tripping. But yeah, it's so easy, bro. I use Stream Elements, bro. Stream Elements or texting them directly. Fastest way to get a sponsor. Like, y'all don't have to believe me, but I got one. Yeah. If you really want that sponsor, bro, you know what you're gonna have to do? Grind. Either grind or you gonna have to like tell them that you're giving them something at the same time you receiving something, or get a review, like do anything. Like, bro, it's so easy. Like, after I found out that I can do this, bro, do you know how fast I went to do it? Like, I went on Twitch, streamed instantly, and told people to use my code, use my link, all that. Bro, another tip is get a sponsor within your niche, bro. Like, whatever you upload or do, you gotta get a sponsor within your own niche. Cause like, if you doing like gardening videos and you getting a gaming PC, that's not gonna match, and nobody in your niche gonna want that, bro. Like, you gonna get no type people to get interaction with that said like sponsor, bro. No one's gonna text you back. I'm not gonna cap. Y'all know I ain't gonna cap to y'all, bro. I've been hooked to Raid Shadow. Low key. Like, normally them ads be cringy, but bro, I'm level 20 already, bro. I be sweating on the game, bro. Like, it's actually kind of fun whenever you have your own code. You can get free stuff, bro. Just use my code, you get free stuff. Like, easy, quick. Don't forget, there is different types of sponsorships. There's ones where you give them buyers and you get a product. There's one where you give them buyers and you get, like, money, paper, cash, cheese, you know. And there's also one where you just get free gifts, and that's the best one. I'm not even gonna lie. Like, nah, the one getting money is way better. I'm not gonna lie to you. But in the comments, bro, y'all say if I miss something, and I'll make a short on it. Y'all go ahead, bro. Bro, we can be stacking money together in like 20 years, bro. We gonna be all in mansions. All y'all gotta do is use my code at Raid Shadow, you know what I'm saying? Or use my link. Tight shit. But anyways, bro, I'm out.